28th, I believe. No, 29th. No, 28th. 28th. Very another windy day today in Phoenix. As you can see by the flags. He's a Marine that lives across the street. Always feel safe when there's a Marine nearby or a serviceman. But anyway, as you can see, it's a cloudy day. It rained last night, which of course I love. As you all know, I love the rain. Anyway, you can hear the flags waving. Let's just listen to the wind. I love listening to the wind. You can see the palm tree blowing in the wind. Listen to that. That sounds so nice. Anyway, wherever you are, I hope you're having a wonderful day, whether it be rain or shine. I hope this weather is just so nice. Later in the week it's supposed to get real hot, but oh gosh, I'm just enjoying this while it lasts. Anyway, hope you all are having a good day wherever you are. Alrighty.